In front of me is REALME 10, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this REALME. First of all, open settings. Then scroll down and click on special features. Over here you need to select simple mode. Tap on enter simple mode. And as you can see, after that, easy mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, you need to access settings again. But this time, tap on exit simple mode over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!